Welcome to Maison Dental. I'm Dr. Glafira, and for today's video we'll be talking about the take-home whitening kit. When you receive your kit, it'll contain the tray holder, which contains your whitening trays for the top and the bottom, and you'll receive 6 of these gels. The best way to use them is by putting about 2 or 3 millimeter diameter squeeze of the gel into the center of the front parts of the teeth. You usually only go from the premolar to the premolar. You can go from molar to molar if you like, if you have a wide smile. The thing to look out for is not putting too much gel in the trays. If you put too much in, because the trays are tightly fitting against your teeth, they'll just go everywhere and it's just a waste of the gel. So once you've got the gels in the tray, pop it in your mouth, press against the front surface of the teeth, remove any excess by wiping it with some tissue or gauze so that it doesn't stay on your gums, which can hurt and irritate them. Depending on the formula of the gel that you have, you may leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour or even overnight. So things to avoid when you're doing your whitening: always recommend to avoid anything that can stain a white t-shirt, such as red wine, tea, coffee, tomato sauce, soy sauce, curries. If you're a coffee addict like I am, then you might want to drink your coffee through a straw. Choose an iced coffee instead, or if you can avoid it for the couple of weeks that you're doing the whitening, then that will be best. So you could choose white wine over red wine, and if you're a smoker, make sure you don't smoke. So after 30 minutes or however long you needed to keep the trays in for, take them out, brush your teeth just with water. You don't need to put toothpaste on them again if you've already brushed your teeth. In terms of cleaning the tray, use an old toothbrush, some soapy water to clean the inside of the trays. Give them a good rinse and let them dry. Make sure you always use cold water or lukewarm water. If you use hot water to clean, the trays will shrink and warp and they won't fit in your mouth again. Make sure there's no hot water. That's the most important thing. Keep them in a safe place so that way you can reuse them, say in 6 to 12 months when you want to whiten them again. That's it for me today. See you in the next video.